Today we are making classic Chinese takeout, Egg Foo Young with savory gravy. This easy recipe for a fluffy Chinese omelette is packed with veggies and smothered in gravy. So whether you are craving a classic takeout favorite or looking for a new easy dinner idea, this Egg Foo Young recipe is perfect for busy weeknights. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a delicious new recipe. Let's get cooking! Here are the ingredients for the Egg Foo Young. Measurements are in the description box. Put about 2½ cups chopped cabbage, about 1/3 cup sliced green onion, 1/3 cup chopped carrots, and 1 tablespoon chopped garlic in a large bowl. Mix briefly. Add 2 teaspoons chicken powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, and some salt. Add 100 grams each ground chicken and ground shrimp. You can also use crab meat. Add 2 tablespoons each flour and cornstarch. If you want it firmer or crispier, you can reduce the flour and use more cornstarch. Add 4 eggs and mix all the ingredients. Add some white pepper, 1 teaspoon each fish sauce, and sesame seed oil. This is the consistency that I like. Heat up oil in a pan. Separate the Egg Foo Young mixture into 2 equal parts. Pour 1 part in the hot oil slowly. Cook until the bottom is brown and flip. Cook thoroughly, then take it out from the pan and drain on paper towel. For the gravy, I have combined in a small bowl 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon low-sodium soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon Shaoxing wine. Separately, I have 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, white pepper, ½ cup chicken broth that I have combined with 1 cup water, or you can just use 1½ cups water, 1 tablespoon cornstarch that I will dilute in 2 tablespoon water, ½ teaspoon sesame seed oil. Put everything in a pan except for the cornstarch and sesame seed oil. Stir and cook on a stove. When it starts to boil, add the cornstarch solutions a little at a time. Cook until the gravy thickens to your desired consistency and turn off the heat. And add ½ teaspoon sesame seed oil. Put the Egg Foo Young on a plate and pour the gravy on top. Your Egg Foo Young is ready. Thank you for watching and see you next time.